Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where it says this app isn't available in your country or region, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, as far as installing the app is concerned, I would suggest to you to use a credible VPN. Now, I use NordVPN. You can use any VPN. I'm not promoting Nord, but this is the one I have right now. So you can simply change the server to United States, and then you will be able to download that application from the Microsoft Store. Let's say that this app is the ChatGPT app. Okay, for just for the sake of the example, then I'll click on Get and I will be able to install it. But it is not necessary that you would be able to use that application. If it's an offline app, then you may be able to use it. If it needs online access, then you may not be able to use it in that country. But nonetheless, you can try. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.